Throughout history, stories of giants have haunted the edges of civilization. But what if they weren't just stories? What if they were memories? Memories of something massive, something real. Welcome to Ancient Origin Stories, where we explore the forgotten past, lost civilizations, and ancient mysteries that defy explanation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. What if history is far more complex than we were led to believe? What if some legends are real? Tonight, we dive into one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world, the true fate of Gigantopithecus blacki.
Science tells us Gigantopithecus went extinct over 300,000 years ago. But what if science is wrong? What if the world's forests still hide something we're not supposed to find?
In the realm of prehistoric creatures, Gigantopithecus stands out as a true enigma, captivating the imaginations of scientists and enthusiasts alike. This colossal ape, the largest primate ever discovered, roamed the lush forests of Southeast Asia for millions of years before vanishing mysteriously from the fossil record. Its massive size and elusive nature have fueled countless theories and speculations, making it a subject of enduring fascination. Despite the paucity of fossil remains, scientists have pieced together a tantalizing glimpse into the life and times of this incredible creature. From its towering height to its specialized diet, Gigantopithecus offers a unique window into the evolutionary history of primates, including our own. Stay with us as we delve into the world of Gigantopithecus, exploring its anatomy, ecology, and the possible reasons behind its extinction. As we journey back in time to unravel the secrets of this prehistoric giant, we'll examine its potential connections to modern-day mysteries, forever linking the past with the present. The story of Gigantopithecus is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the enduring allure of the unknown. To understand the mystery of Gigantopithecus, we must journey back in time, to an era when it ruled the towering rainforests of southern China and beyond. This was the Pleistocene epoch, a world teeming with massive creatures, fierce competition, and an ever-changing environment. But what was a day like for the largest ape to ever walk the earth?
Gigantopithecus thrived in environments rich in bamboo and fruit-bearing trees. Its range stretched across what is now China, Vietnam, India, and Indonesia, territories that were once humid, subtropical forests filled with resources, but also dangers.
It was a time of transition, where massive ice sheets advanced and retreated, reshaping the land. Rivers shifted course, forests grew and disappeared, and with each change, species had to adapt or die. A new day begins in the rainforest. Towering over the undergrowth, Gigantopithecus scans its surroundings. Its keen senses alert to movement, both prey and predator.
Unlike modern apes, Gigantopithecus likely spent most of its time on the ground. It was simply too massive to climb trees like an orangutan. That means it had to navigate the jungle floor carefully, staying hidden from predators while searching for food.
The Pleistocene jungle was an endless competition for survival. Food was abundant, but so were those who fought for it.
Gigantopithecus primarily fed on bamboo, fruits and roots, much like modern orangutans and gorillas. But unlike its primate cousins, it needed massive amounts of food every day just to sustain its bulk.
Its diet wasn't the only challenge. Predators lurked in the shadows, waiting for the right moment to strike. As night falls, the balance of power shifts. The jungle belongs to the hunters now.
The Pleistocene era was home to terrifying predators, massive clouded leopards, giant crocodiles, and even early tigers. But there was another danger, one that no animal had faced before: early humans.
Homo erectus, one of our direct ancestors, had already begun using tools, hunting in groups, and expanding into new territories. Could they have encountered Gigantopithecus? If so, was it an alliance or a war? Did early humans fear Gigantopithecus as a forest god, or did they see it as prey? As the world changed, this towering ape faced a new kind of threat, one it could never have prepared for. But did it truly vanish? Or did it survive in the shadows, retreating deeper into the forests, where it still watches us today? Our understanding of Gigantopithecus is based on a surprisingly sparse fossil record, consisting primarily of teeth and jaw fragments. These tantalizing pieces of the puzzle were first unearthed in Chinese apothecary shops in the 1930s, where they were sold as dragon bones for traditional medicine. It wasn't until German paleontologist Ralph von Koenigswald recognized their significance that Gigantopithecus emerged from the shadows of obscurity.
Gigantopithecus forces us to rethink primate evolution. We have evidence of an ape that dwarfed gorillas but no complete skeleton. That means we have no idea how it really moved.
Subsequent discoveries in caves and sedimentary deposits across Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, Thailand, and possibly even Java, have gradually expanded our knowledge of this ancient ape. The sheer size of its teeth and jaws immediately set it apart from any living primate, hinting at a creature of immense proportions. Extrapolating from these fragmentary remains, scientists estimate that Gigantopithecus blacki, the largest recognized species, may have stood over 10 feet tall and weighed over 1,000 pounds, dwarfing even the largest gorillas alive today. However, the lack of more complete skeletal remains, particularly limb bones, has hampered efforts to reconstruct its appearance and locomotion with certainty.
The idea that it walked upright like Bigfoot? Wishful thinking. There's no limb bones, no confirmed footprints. Until we have that, everything else is just speculation.
Did it walk on two legs like humans, knuckle walk like gorillas, or employ a different form of movement altogether? Gigantopithecus was massive, but did its size make it a king of the jungle, or a doomed relic of a lost world?
But let's step back. Why do we want it to have walked upright? As humans, we're drawn to stories of the missing link. It's in our nature to want to connect prehistoric creatures to our own mythology.
These questions remain a subject of ongoing debate and speculation, fueling the imagination of researchers and enthusiasts alike. Reconstructing the life and times of an extinct creature requires more than just bones. It demands a deep understanding of its environment and ecological interactions. Fossil evidence suggests that Gigantopithecus inhabited the dense subtropical forests of Southeast Asia during the Pleistocene Epoch, a period marked by significant climatic fluctuations. These ancient forests were teeming with life, providing ample sustenance for a variety of herbivores, including our giant ape. Dental analysis points towards a primarily herbivorous diet for Gigantopithecus, with a preference for tough, fibrous vegetation. Their massive molars, characterized by thick enamel and complex chewing surfaces, were ideally suited for grinding down tough plant matter, such as bamboo, fruits, leaves, and shoots. This dietary specialization likely played a crucial role in shaping its evolutionary trajectory, influencing its size, morphology, and ultimately, its fate. Imagine Gigantopithecus as the gentle giant of its time, peacefully foraging for food amidst the undergrowth. Its massive size affording it a degree of protection from predators. However, this reliance on a specialized diet would prove to be a double-edged sword, making it vulnerable to environmental changes that would disrupt its food supply. The Pleistocene epoch was a time of dramatic climatic upheaval, with glacial cycles transforming landscapes and impacting the distribution of plant and animal life. As temperatures fluctuated and ice sheets advanced and retreated, the once lush forests of Southeast Asia gradually gave way to more open habitats, such as grasslands and savannas. This shift in vegetation had profound consequences for the region's fauna, including our giant ape. Gigantopithecus, with its specialized diet and massive size, was ill-equipped to cope with these changing conditions. Its preferred food sources, such as fruits and bamboo, became increasingly scarce, while the open grasslands offered little sustenance for such a large herbivore. In contrast, smaller, more adaptable primates, like the ancestors of orangutans, were able to switch to more readily available food sources, such as tough leaves and bark, ensuring their survival. The environmental changes of the Pleistocene placed immense pressure on its species, pushing it towards the brink of extinction. Its specialized diet, once a key to its success, became a liability in the face of a changing world. The exact reasons behind the extinction of Gigantopithecus remain shrouded in mystery, but a confluence of factors likely contributed to its demise. The changing climate and its impact on vegetation undoubtedly played a significant role, limiting the availability of its preferred food sources. As forests dwindled and grasslands expanded, Gigantopithecus faced increasing competition for dwindling resources, both from other herbivores and potentially even from early humans.
Gigantopithecus lived alongside early human species like Homo erectus. If early humans encountered these creatures, they would have seemed like towering monsters.
Its massive size, while advantageous in a stable environment, became a liability in the face of resource scarcity. Larger animals require more food to sustain themselves, and with its specialized diet, Gigantopithecus would have struggled to meet its caloric needs in a changing landscape. This combination of environmental pressures and biological constraints likely pushed the species towards a tipping point from which it could not recover. The extinction of Gigantopithecus serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between life and its environment. It highlights the vulnerability of even the most imposing creatures to the forces of ecological change and the importance of adaptability in the face of adversity. If even a small population survived, they would have gone into hiding. Deep forests, avoiding human contact at all costs. That means they could still be out there, or maybe people wanted to believe they were out there. Humans have always told stories of giants. The extinction of Gigantopithecus, while a tragedy in the grand tapestry of life, has not completely erased its presence from our collective consciousness. In the realm of cryptozoology, the study of hidden or unknown animals, some believe that Gigantopithecus may have survived, its lineage persisting in the form of elusive creatures like Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch.
Extinction isn't always immediate. Some populations hang on, hidden, reduced, but surviving.
Sightings of large, hairy hominids have been reported for centuries across the globe, particularly in the forested regions of North America and the Himalayas. While most mainstream scientists remain skeptical, citing a lack of concrete evidence, some researchers and enthusiasts point to the possibility that these creatures could be remnants of ancient ape lineages, such as Gigantopithecus, that have managed to evade detection. Almost every major landmass has legends of large, hairy, human-like creatures. Is that all coincidence? The idea of Gigantopithecus surviving into modern times is certainly intriguing, but without tangible evidence, it remains purely speculative. However, the possibility, however remote, continues to fuel the imagination and inspire further exploration into the hidden corners of our planet. The search for Gigantopithecus's modern-day descendants extends beyond Bigfoot, encompassing a diverse array of cryptids reported from various corners of the globe. From the Yeti of the Himalayas, also known as the abominable snowman, to the skunk ape of the southeastern United States, tales of large ape-like creatures have captivated cultures for centuries. While scientific evidence supporting the existence of these creatures remains elusive, their persistence in folklore and eyewitness accounts raises intriguing questions about the boundaries of our knowledge and the possibility of undiscovered species lurking on the fringes of human awareness. Could some of these cryptids represent remnants of ancient hominid lineages, like Gigantopithecus, that have adapted to survive in remote and challenging environments? While the scientific community remains largely unconvinced, the possibility, however remote, continues to fuel speculation.
Coincidence or culture? Every society exaggerates monsters. The idea of hidden giants? It's comforting. It lets us believe the world still has mysteries.
And inspire further investigation into the mysteries of the natural world.
but mysteries sometimes turn out to be real. Gorillas were considered mythical by Westerners until 1902. Could the same thing be happening here?
DNA samples taken from supposed Bigfoot hotspots have shown unidentified primate markers. Now, does that mean Bigfoot? Not necessarily, but it does mean something unknown is out there.
We've found environmental DNA, eDNA, in forests that doesn't match any known primate. That doesn't mean Bigfoot, but it means something is out there.
Or it means contamination. Let's not jump to conclusions.
The imposing size and mysterious nature of Gigantopithecus have secured its place in popular culture, capturing the imaginations of audiences worldwide. While the fictional King Kong drew inspiration from gorillas, Gigantopithecus, with its even more massive frame, has often been dubbed the real King Kong, embodying the awe-inspiring power and grandeur of the natural world. From documentaries to fictional narratives, Gigantopithecus has made numerous appearances in various forms of media, often depicted as a fearsome yet majestic creature. Its portrayal in popular culture has helped to raise awareness and spark curiosity about this prehistoric giant, inspiring further research and exploration into its evolutionary history and the circumstances surrounding its extinction. Whether depicted as a gentle giant or a terrifying monster, Gigantopithecus continues to captivate audiences, reminding us of the boundless wonders of the natural world and the enduring allure of the unknown. Gigantopithecus, the largest primate to ever walk the earth, may be long gone, but its legacy continues to resonate through time, inspiring both scientific inquiry and popular fascination. Despite the fragmentary nature of its fossil remains, we have managed to piece together a tantalizing glimpse into the life and times of this incredible creature. From its towering size and specialized diet to the environmental pressures that likely contributed to its demise. While the exact reasons behind its extinction remain a subject of debate, the story of Gigantopithecus serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life and its environment, and the importance of adaptability in the face of change. Its legacy extends beyond the realm of paleontology, fueling speculation and intrigue in the form of cryptid sightings and inspiring countless tales of giant apes lurking in the shadows of our world. The enduring fascination with Gigantopithecus speaks to our innate curiosity about the natural world, both past and present. As we continue to explore the fossil record and uncover new clues, we may one day unravel the remaining mysteries surrounding this prehistoric giant, shedding further light on the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. If you enjoyed today's journey, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us as we uncover more ancient origin stories from our past.